672 only. This SD2 budget also includes rupees 1 crore 15 lakhs 58,000. Only the payment of area fixed pay for the employees appointed under CSP and non-CSP for 5 interested land department who were left out during the SD1 budget session. The additional amount were required now against the original budget and SD1 RS under which is under one area fixed pay. In persons to the EC meeting, Minus Para 1.8 held on 14 October 2025, an amount of rupees 115.5 crore 58,000 lakhs only in the total is required for payment of area fixed pay for the 30 months to the fixed pay employee to 5 interested line department who were appointed under CSP and non-CSP. The 5 department were left out during SD1 budget session. The grade number for the amount required are in grade number not rupees 72 crore 72 only in total is 38, 39, 55, 56, 60% has been prepared by incorporating the additional amount now required